Lately, what I've been noticing in the market, besides the sky-high prices, is just not a lack of inventory, but a lack of quality inventory, really. Welcome back to Carrie's Corner. I'm Carrie, your trusted redhead real estate advisor. Buyers are out touring homes, and many of them need so much work. It's just a turnoff. But you really need a home that's truly livable and comfortable. And let's be honest, not everybody wants to take on a big renovation project. But in a low inventory market, sometimes the best opportunity is the home that needs work. That's where a renovation loan can come in and save you. A renovation loan can help bridge the gap and turn a maybe house into your dream home. So you ask, how does it actually really work? A renovation loan allows buyers to finance both the purchase price and the cost of the repairs rolled into the loan. There's a simple breakdown, and this is how it goes. So you find your fixer-upper. Instead of skipping homes that need work, you can now consider properties with lots of potential. You hire a contractor. The contractor has to be licensed. You get estimates, and you and your lender determine what repairs or upgrades are needed and how much it's actually going to cost. 3, the loan is then based on the future value, and the lender looks at what the home will be worth after the renovations, not just its current condition. 4 is you will close on your home, and then the funds are held in an escrow. And the renovation money is then set aside and paid out in stages as the work is completed. And lastly, renovation begins after the closing, and contractors complete the work while you move toward a finished, updated home. So you ask, what can it cover? It can cover so much, like a new roof, a new septic, kitchens, baths, flooring, paints, windows. And if your home needs structural repairs, it can also cover that. The option opens up more inventory, and then you can customize your home and build instant equity. As always, thank you for watching Carrie's Corner. We'll see you next time. And remember what I always say, real estate is like an escalator because there's never a bad time to jump on.